society de school khan thagibole bishi important ase manu khan ge age loi jabole nimide hoilibi school laga basic infrastructure khan thik na thagya kile students khan kitab puriya de focus koribo na pare ekla noigina bacha khan laga life bi danger de thagi jai aro kendriya vidyala institute lere kohima aji kali eniga ekta situation face kuri ase kude storm aigina school bishi damage kuri dishi aro students khan school naigina ek moina nishina hoise Hornbill TV laga reporter ke kise no ke ho itu opore ground report krishe IB details of
Hornbill TV ite ere Kendriya Vidyalaya School yere Lirere Kohima re ahigene ase aru man aji yere ahigene thaka do parents kan aru students kan laga itu school laga grievances address kuribole ahigene ase de parents kan matia karne aru itu problem do ki laga ase koile do sabi society ekta agere jawole ase koile bacha han ge educate kuri gene hi आगे जाई गुछे सोसाइटी एकता तो यारे एकता प्रॉब्लम इटू स्कूल दे दिखी थाका दो कोहिमा रे सीबीएसई थाका इटू स्कूल तीनटा है दे अरु इटू स्कूल एकता से यारे खाली मोहन एकता केंद्रीय विद्यालय स्कूल है तो मोहन तो इटू असम राइफल ना इटू आर्मी दे थाका ला बच्चान एकला से ना बाबे हुली नागा लगा यारे नागा मनुला बच्चान भी बिशी इटू स्कूल दे जाज दे हुली भी बिशी अनफॉर्चुनेट ऐसे इटू कोवले हुली इटू स्कूल दे 1 month upor hoise itu hawa mari gine pani ahi gine school damage kuri dia ro aru itia tak students khan to itu 1 month upor hoise online pra hi tahan itu classes loi gine jai thaga do parents khan ta na grievances kobole mon ase goise to Hornbill TV aji ere Kohima Lirere ahi gine je tahan laga message bi itu concerned department khan ge bi pass kuri gine jawole itu Kendriya Vidyalaya school do education ministry laga niche re ahe kundu itu laga system kan do structure ki khan education do CRPF khan bra saire to mohan yere dikhya nishna bahar de khara gorese tan bi itu permission na loile bitor jawo na paro nimire to tan likhi gine governor khan gi bi dia in fact kumba do likhi ne itu India laga prime minister Modi ta ki bi message pass kurise kuise kile hile last year laga itu class 10 laga result hoile bi itu highest be 95% paisre aru sob manu bi itu 100% passes de but still itia itu laga school inega ekta digdar face kura laga time de parents kan bi mundu koina media han lo de has de thank you for joining us in this conversation and as you called us we're also here to speak to you na so could you kindly give us more details on how things are going on right now because we have not been allowed to enter na
Yeah, ma'am. It's 21st of last month when the huge storm came in and all these buildings are damaged. And problem is that ki each and every building is leaking. And tina ghar bhi sab udi jaise. There is no proper tina house now where children can sit and this thing. Even wiring is damaged. You never knows ki where the current will come. How if the rain again will come and kids are sitting in class. Anything can happen to our kids. So we requested the authorization. We written all the parents, almost around 400 parents are there. They have written letter to DIG CRPF. Ki please, because this is under DIG CRPF jurisdiction. This school comes under. So this is their duty to maintain this. So we requested them ki please maintain it. At least maintain it. We are not asking for ki you just reconstruct it. Because they used to say ki this land is not ours. So we can't do new construction. If you don't do new construction, at least try to maintain for the safety of our kids. And if you are willing to bring them in school, in this situation, the school is like any day it can fall down. If my kid is coming here, then CRPF should assure me if something happened to my kid, they are answerable to us. Because whenever our kids come from some buses or they use this thing, they always fill a form ki you have to make assurance we are not liable. Dr. Khan ke jayenge na bhi Dr. Khan ko we are not liable if something happened to your kid. So this is like my kid is going daily to an operation just for study. I'm not sure whether she will come safely or not. After seeing, you will see the videos and everything. After seeing that situation, I'm thanking to the God कि my daughter is safe and sound and at my house. But what if it's 10th board and they are not getting proper education? Till their this thing, summer off happened. It started from 5th of May, 15th of May. Before that, there was no class. They started 2 days back, online class, 1-2 time. Okay, you started, we can manage. But my daughter, she's having a keratoconus problem. Doctor has restricted her not to see TV too much or screen too much. The future of our children is getting damaged. And being in a capital of Nagaland, though we are in ST state, it doesn't mean that no one will see to us. Our kids are coming, 99% are Naga students here. CRPF, only 5 students are there. Rest are from outside. If we want good education where central teachers are put up, but they are not giving us, providing us that education on the sake of कि okay, building damage hai, you can't come. So where our kid will go?
Could you kindly give us more details on, the fear of this particular institution being discontinued?
Ma'am, problem is that कि all the tina ka chat, they are hanging. And whatever the maintenance they have done in 1-2 day, chotu motu, what they have put thermocol to support the tina. And I can give you because parent teacher meeting, we came here and we have seen everything from our eyes. You can ask other parents also. We have seen that situation. And now, if they will say us ki chalo, kalipura mo school kholi divo or ahi jabi. Iman damage building te. So ma'am, main concern is, first to education is, so concern is concerned. But what about the life of our kid? So, if you can make your building very nice, you are sitting very safely, so what about these small childs? Okay, class 10th kid, so if something happens, some storm will come, they can run out, no problem. What about the primary sections? Are class 10th, where we will take our kids? Nobody is willing to take in class 10th. So, what's about our kids' future? And okay, sasta say, arey, this is my right on education. Government of India is saying कि every girl should study. बच्ची पढ़ाओ, बच्ची बचाओ. तो व्हाट इज बच्ची पढ़ाओ, वेयर पढ़ाओ? स्कूल में भेजो और वहाँ मार दो, क्योंकि बिल्डिंग नीचे गिर जाएगा, बच्चा मर जाएगा.
अपनी ला बच्चा होली भी किनेगा कंडीशन दे जेटी आताई किताब पूरा ला सिचुएशन दो.
Bishi thank you. School start no kora ba ta gambi listen bali bi bishi bi larsi na. Ido bar parada jildi start koreli bhala sinna ki koina ko ase.
अच्छा ऑलराइट तो अपनी दो किनेगा अपनी ला भावना किने ऐसे इटुला सिचुएशन ऊपर.
মই বি বাচ্চা जो ক্লাস 10 দে আছে কিন্তু অনলাইন ক্লাস লদো খুশি বি নাই আৰু এইটো ঘৰতে থাকিলে বি মা ভালবৰা পুৰবলে না পারে হৈ যাইছে এইটো কাৰণে মহাটো অনলাইন দো না লাগে অফলাইন হি লাগি আছে এইটো বৰা মৰম বৰা এইটো জলদি কৰি দি বি কো কেনে এইটো হি কৈ আছে.
अच्छा तो आंटी अपनी ला बच्चा तो क्लास किमान दे ऐसे
একজন দু ক্লাস 7 একজন দু ক্লাস 5 একজন দু ক্লাস 3 এনে আদে রাখি আছে
तो तीनटा बच्चा तरह है ना
হয়
तो इतना लगा सिचुएशन ऊपर अपनी ला भावना किने ऐसे की रिक्वेस्ट करूले मन जाए ना की मैसेज दिवले मन जाए कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट के
এইটো তাই হাঙ্গে জলদি সিআরপিএফ কাঙ্গে জলদি স্কুল বাৰ বনাই দিবলে মন আছে কিলে মানে তাখান মাইকি খান হে আছে আমি লা বাচ্চা খান দু হলে তাখান টয়লেটস খান বি একদম বিয়া আছে আৰু তাখান স্কুল তে আহিলে পানী বেছি খাব না পারে কিলে মানে টয়লেটস বিয়া কাৰণে না হয়নে বেছি দুপাই না হে আসলে লাষ্ট মান পাৰা না ডেমেজ হোৱাটো আৰু গড়ে বহি যাইছে আৰু ক্লাছ বি ঠিক ল'বলে না পারে গড়েটো অনলাইন ক্লাছ 4 days to লৈ থাকিছে হলে বি অনলাইন টু তাখান কাৰণে বেছি বিয়া আছে.
अच्छा मान আৰু नेक्स्ट ইয়ারে लास्ट मान ला আৰু একটা পেৰেন্ট কে একটা আৰু কথা কৰি কিনে যাব অলৰাইট আপনি হান কোন কোন কে এটো লিখি কিনে দিছে চিঠি দ
Moijan DIG CRPF, headquarters CRPF, Prime Minister Office, Nagaland Governor. Nagaland Governor has again directed to the regional office Kendriya Vidyalaya and DIG CRPF again, and all the parents have written letter to the principal and DIG CRPF. We have to give to the education ministry also. So we are thinking something positive will come up, but still it's been 1 month. So if we will wait for longer also, so the directly or indirectly damage is going with our kid only, no one else.
Thank you for joining Hornbill TV in this conversation, and we hope that your message reaches the concerned officials or the concerned department. Thank you. To ito tagishe Hornbill TV yare ahigena itu KV Institute Kohima laga Lire colony de ahigine kotha koisire janai dia nishna aru video re dikhya nishna school do ita bishi pitiable condition ekta re ase khali kitab puria lare parents kan bi kitab puria lare focus kuribole mon but at the same time bacha laga life risk kurle mon nai re school de ja ase gole do most of the time Monday to Friday do jai aru inega hoile do tai khan la bacha khan kinega kitab puribole ase itu la condition de Hornbill TV laga itu report kuri gene thaka do biswas ase right itu individual right officials right department khan ge punchibo koine Hornbill TV apni hange itu por itu updated khan bi rakhi thakibo moi reporter ke hoise nyo ke huwa with camera person Joy Watch for Hornbill TV Kohima